Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Good morning po sa lahat. How are you doing? Kamusta po ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing okay and well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jade and I am from the Philippines, but I live now in the Sunshine State, Florida. I live in Pensacola, Florida po, and I got here through a K1 fiance visa. Shout out nga pala sa family ko dyan sa Cagayan de Oro. I am from Cagayan de Oro, so Bisaya ko. Hello sa tanang Bisaya. Sa akong number one fan, to my family, friends, my mom and dad, my sister, diha sa Bunbon, Judy, and sa akong pag-umangkon, Ziana, hello. Ate Z, hello. Peter and Leia, hi. Donna and Joseph, hello. And to my family in Davao City po, to Jared and Kuya Arthur, Ate Jared and Kuya Arthur, CJ, Maria Beatriz and AJ, hello. To Vincent and Joy, hello. And to the kids, Ate Ashley, Andre, Samsam, and Gab Gab. Hello everybody, kamusta? I miss you all. See you soon. I hope to see you soon. Anyways, for today's video po, pag-uusapan natin or I will be sharing with you how to fill out DS160. Ano nga po ba yung DS160? Now, DS160 is the online non-immigrant visa application po for K1. Yung makareceive ng Manila case number from NVC, you can go ahead and fill out DS160. I will share with you kung paano po siya i-fill out para po may idea kayo, may guide kayo. And just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agencies nor working as an immigration officer. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I am only sharing based from my experience po nung nag-apply ako ng K1 visa. Right now, I am adjusting my status. I applied it last October, and 2 months after, I got approved for my EAD and my travel parole, and currently still waiting for my green card po. By the way, before I forget, this is the website. Saan kayo mag-fill out ng form? Hanapin niyo po or i-google niyo Consular Electronic Application Center or ceac.state.gov. That's the official website. And then click DS160. So if you want to know more about how to apply for K1 visa and the requirements for K1 and K2 visa, please visit the official website travel.state.gov. Doon niyo po mahahanap or malalaman lahat ng information na kailangan ninyo to apply for K1 visa and what are the requirements. Nasa website po nila mismo yung requirements and then the processes or the step-by-step process po ng pag-apply ng K1 visa. So without further ado, I would like to share you how to fill out DS160. So i-type niyo po Consular Electronic Application Center or ceac.state.gov and then i-click niyo po yung DS160 for K1 visa. And then it will lead you to this page. Dito po, ilagay niyo po select a location where you will be applying for a visa and then type niyo po yung code and then click start application. Ito po palang retrieve application. I will explain it to you later. Makikita nyo din po yan sa page na ito. And then after clicking start application, it will lead you to the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act notices. Please read it and then drag down, click agree. And then below this, ito na po yung makikita ninyo, application information. Dito po sa right side, ito po yung number po ninyo or your DS116 number. Make sure that you take a photo of this or you write it down on a paper kasi kakailanganin niyo po yan later on. And then you read the whole thing here. And then there is a security question and answer. Ito po yung sample ng security questions na lalabas. Make sure that you remember the security question and the answer kasi kakailanganin niyo po yan later on if you are going to retrieve an application. Lalabas po yan together with your surname and then your application ID. Ito po. So after this, when you click next, it will lead you to the personal information one page kung saan po ilalagay niyo lahat ng information about you, the details, your last name, given name, and if you have a full name in native alphabet, ilagay niyo po dito. And if it doesn't apply to you, just click does not apply. If you are unsure of what to answer or what to write or type down, dito po sa gilid, there are help tips. Ini-explain po dito kung ano po yung ibig sabihin sa mga tanong sa specific questions na nakasaad po in every page. So ayan, basahin niyo po yan if hindi niyo maintindihan or hindi kayo sure if you're unsure on what to type in. Drag down your gender, marital status, lahat-lahat po yan. Make sure that you are coding the right and the spellings are correct. And then you click next. It will lead you to the personal information page 2. Yan, country, and do you hold or have held any nationality other than the one indicated above on nationality? Yes or no? Ayan po. Pag no naman po yung sagot, hindi po ito lalabas. Once again, dito po sa gilid, ini-explain po kung ano po yung ibig sabihin sa mga tanong na yan. And then, drag down. Here, national identification number, US social security number, kung wala pa po, does not apply. And then, here are the explanation. So if, tip po pala, when you fill out DS160, make sure that pag tapos na kayo mag-fill out in every page, make sure that you click save before you click next. Kasi nagta-time out po yung portal, nagta-time out siya in every page. Minsan kasi, I'm not sure how long, but nagta-time out siya and it will go back to the main page kung saan po ilalagay ninyo kung saan kayong location, kung saan kayo mag-a-apply, and then the code. And then doon niyo po i-click yung retrieve application. And then lalabas po doon yung surname ninyo, first name, tsaka yung DS160 number, and then the security question. And once you finish that or you filled out that one, it will lead you to the last page kung saan po nag-time out yung website. So always remember to click save before you click next. So after clicking next, it will lead you to the travel information. Now provide the following information concerning your travel plans. So dito po, ilagay niyo yung purpose of the travel, it's fiancé visa, and then specify it, that's fiancé K1 po. And then, have you made a specific travel plan, yes or no? Again, arrival plans, if you are unsure, dito po sa gilid, there's a help tip. If you're unsure of your travel plans, please provide an estimate, okay? And then, click save, and then next. Travel companions, click save, and then next. And then the next page po is previous US travel information. Now, provide the following previous US travel information. Provide complete and accurate information to all questions that require an explanation. Again, if you are unsure, dito po yung explanation sa gilid. And then, code in the right answer that applies to you. Drag down, ito po. Have you ever been refused a US visa? Yes or no? Click save and then next, and then it will lead you to the address and phone information. Naman po, fill out everything correctly. Make sure that you are coding in the right answers or right address, and then drag down. If it will also ask you about your social media like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, ilagay niyo po dito. Add another if you have more than one. And here, do you want to provide information about it? Just read it, and then ilagay nyo lang po dito. And then click save, and then next, it will lead you to the passport information. Now, dito naman po sa passport information, make sure that it will be asking about where was your passport issued, the issuance date, and expiration. Ayan po lahat. Here. Click save. Don't forget to always click save before you click next. Now, the US point or US point of contact information, kung sino po yung contact information ninyo sa US. Here. Relationship to you, your fiance, and then address po ng fiance ninyo. For family information or relatives, please provide the following information concerning your biological parents. If you are adopted, please provide the following information on your adoptive parent. Here's the father's full name and date of birth. Ayan. And then it will also ask about your mother's full name and date of birth. If wala naman po or don't know, there is a don't know option there to click. And here, there's a help tip here about immediate relatives. Ayan. Click save, and then click next. And then family information, fiance or fiancé. And then type in your fiance's name and address correctly. And then click save. And then next. It will also ask you about your present work, education, training information if you're still working, dito po. And if you are not working, while nag-fill out po kayo sa DS160 ninyo, but you have worked back then, ito asking to provide your employment information for the last 5 years. So make sure before you fill out DS160 companies, make sure that to write down your employer name, the address, the contact number, your supervisor's name, if you still have them, your contact number, tsaka yung date kung kailan kayo nag-start and date kung kailan kayo natapos.
Here, ilagay nyo lang po lahat dito. And then after that, it will lead you to the security and background part 1. May mga questions po dito, answerable by yes or no. Just please read and understand. And then there's actually part 1 up to part 5. Marami po yung yes or no questions. So please answer correctly and honestly. Ayan po yung part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. Now, after po ng part 5 is the page for you to upload a photo for your DS160 confirmation page. Now, the photo should be 240 MB below. So, malalaman nyo naman po pag nag-fit yung picture na i-upload niyo. And then, you click use this photo or click continue using this photo, submit, and continue. Now, after the photo, lalabas po itong sign and submit. Ito po yung para sa K1 fiancé or sa spouse. And then you just read it, click I hereby certify, and then this, and then if someone did your DS160 for you, ito po kailangan nila. And then your e-signature, you have to put your passport number and enter the code that's shown below po. And then click sign and submit application. Ito na po lalabas yung confirmation page ng DS160 ninyo together with your details na nilagay po ninyo. And then, if you have a printer while doing this, you can go ahead and print the confirmation or print the application. If you don't have a printer, you can click email confirmation para po isubmit nila yung confirmation sa email address po ninyo. So back then, when I fill out, ito po yung information ko. And print this out kasi kakailanganin niyo ito sa medical and sa interview. Hahanapin ito sa pagpasok niyo mismo sa US Embassy sa Manila.
So, ayun po, maraming salamat. I hope this helps you magka-idea kayo on how to fill out the DS160. This is based from my experience po. Once again, disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agencies nor working as an immigration officer. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I am simply sharing based from my own experience. So sana po makatulong ito sa inyo. And if you want to know more about this, nakuha ko po itong sampler sa website po nila mismo, that's travelstate.gov. Ilalagay ko po yung official website kung saan ko po nakuha yung sampler para po if you want to see more, kasi meron din doon for business visit, tourist visit, ganyan, para po makatulong din sa inyo. Visit po kayo sa website ng SEAC, ceac.state.gov for how to fill out or kung saan po kayo fill out ng DS160 form. And then visit as well travel.state.gov for more information about K1 visa. Maraming salamat po. Sana po makatulong itong video sa inyo. If you know someone that is currently processing their K1 visa, waiting for their NVC, please share my video, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please like, and please share my video. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakasubscribe na. And we are right now 58 subscribers. I really appreciate po sa lahat ng nakasubscribe. I hope dumami pa tayo at marami tayong matulungan. See ya everybody! Thank you once again, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!